Sawadee-ka. June the 13th. Rolling right along. There isn't much one can do for the individual who will not try to do something for himself. This is true. Welfare state. Like 40% of America is government dependent. No bueno. One of the keys to success is personal initiative. Most people, including those who will play a key role in the level of success, no excuses, I've had my coffee, come on here, including those who will play a key role in the level of success you achieve in your life, will not give you their full assistance and support unless you first take the initiative. If you see something that needs to be done, just do it. Wendy's founder Dave Thomas, everybody knows Dave Thomas, says a little initiative will improve your luck 9 days out of 10. So there you go. So taking the initiative, which is another way of saying getting started, right? Getting started is taking the initiative. Date night last night. I'm tired, man. I'm an old man. I really am an old man. I'll do a separate video on the date. It was crazy. It was absolutely fucking crazy. So I'm beat. Even I've been up since 3 hours now, and I've had my coffee. But I'm just rode hard, and literally, and put away wet. I think that expression really fits. So sorry for being soggy this morning, but I am an old man. It happens. It's nature. Holy shit. Oh, God, I'm going to have to be like a fucking 70-year-old and take a nap today. That's insane. Well, I'm tired. Anyway, yeah. Initiative. I took the initiative last night. Thailand's crazy. Thailand is absolutely crazy. I can't tell you. You got to live here to experience this crap. But anywho, yeah, initiative. You make a plan. You do this. You do that. You get your mindset right. You're doing all this. Well, we're on a sexual topic. Foreplay. You do all this foreplay, but taking the initiative means putting your plan into action, and that's where it starts. And of course, you have to keep acting, and taking action is a recurring thing. It's not a one-time thing. But if you're drag racing, you got to release the trans brake, right? You got to let off the button and launch, and then there's still more racing to do, but releasing that trans brake gets you going, gets you rolling. So that's it. It was short today. It was a short paragraph. I'll keep it short before I start yawning again. Too late. Oh man, fuck me. And she did. But don't bump. I need one of those guys with the drum following me around rimshot. I'm ending this now. All right, y'all be good. Short but sweet. I hope you learned something.